One hose, every tool. Switch in seconds with the Rutlands Power Tool Dust Hose Fast Click Adapters. Designed for industry-standard 38mm dust hose, this 7-piece set delivers seamless switching and universal compatibility across most major brands of power tool and smaller benchtop machinery. 5 precision-molded port adapters feature flexible thermoplastic rubber ends. Each adapter pushes on or into your tool's dust port, with internal and external ribbing accommodating variations in port size. An adjustable air release window lets you fine-tune suction to prevent the tool from sealing itself to the work surface. The fast-click hose fitting threads onto the end of 38mm hose and push fits effortlessly into any port adapter. It swivels a full 360 degrees, allowing unrestricted movement without kinking the hose. The included hose coupler joins 2 lengths of hose in seconds, perfect for quickly extending hose runs. To tailor your fast click system to you, choose one of our 2 premium dust hose kits. The fast click kit with 5-meter stretch dust hose extends from just 1.3 meters to a full 5 meters when needed. Lightweight and easy to handle, it won't drag on your tool and collapses for compact storage. Or opt for the Fast Click Kit with 3.5-meter braided dust hose, featuring a tough, snag-resistant outer sleeve that glides smoothly over guide rails, edges, and workpieces. No delays, no dust, just smooth switching from tool to tool with the Rutlands Power Tool Dust Hose Fast Click System.